Okay, I think I know what this is as part of my fitness regime. Yay! My favourite colour. Not that I chose it for that, yeah I did actually. I'm just going to tip this upside down. So, this is because it's getting colder and darker. So the gym is not always going to be an option. I'm almost like sorting out my little home gym. And this is a slipper. It's supposed to be adjustable. I think these really no instructions, but I think these come out and fit on here, but how you get them out without breaking a nail. Ah. Wow. Look at that. So you can adjust the, oh that's not fit on very well though, isn't it? Oh, is it because that's in the way? I feel like I'm bowling. That's it. So that on. That on. Give you the height. Take that out. So I don't suppose the order matters, but for coordination purposes, put the lighter purple on and then the darker purple on. Probably stiff because it's new. No, it's not coming off. I think probably those gaps will close when you stand on it. Well, it certainly will when I stand on it. So I'm going to put this down now. Yeah. I'll have fun with that. Yeah, that's it. My beautifuls.